everyone! Today we're practicing supermarket sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I enter the supermarket. I enter the supermarket. I push my shopping cart. I push my shopping cart. I follow the signs to the produce section. I follow the signs to the produce section. I pick the ripest mangoes. I pick the ripest mangoes. I squeeze the avocado. I squeeze the avocado. I choose my vegetables. I choose my vegetables. I smell the fresh bread. I smell the fresh bread. I reach for the cereal box. I reach for the cereal box. I read the nutrition label. I read the nutrition label. I compare the two products. I compare the two products. I notice a sale sign. I notice a sale sign. I hold the watermelon. I hold the watermelon.
Sounds just right.
I lift the bag of rice. I lift the bag of rice. I weigh my grapes. I weigh my grapes. I place the eggs in my cart. I place the eggs in my cart. I count my items. I count my items. I sort my groceries on the belt. I sort my groceries on the belt. I scan my QR code. I scan my QR code. I hand my card to the cashier.
Good afternoon.
I hand my card to the
loyalty
cashier.
card.
I swipe my credit card. I
Thank
swipe
you.
my credit card. I receive my receipt. I receive my receipt. I collect my bags.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
I collect my bags. I load my bags into the cart. I load my bags into the cart. I return my cart. I return my cart. I wave to the cashier.
Thank you
I
very
wave
much.
to the
Have a nice
cashier.
day.
I leave the supermarket. I leave the supermarket.
Great job! You just practiced supermarket sentences. Subscribe for more English practice. See you next time!